Hello everyone. In this session, let's try to create a storage account using CLI. Additionally, we will upload a PDF document to the storage and let's verify using CLI as well. Alright, so to start, let's create Azure Storage account. So this is the command. As you can see, I'll specify location as North Europe. I'll put some random name. Let's put this as saying test account. Resource group, in interest of time, I have already created. I'll reuse the same, and I'll put the SKU as standard LRS, which is basically local redundant storage, standard storage. So Northern Europe, like for the sake of example, I've given this Northern Europe. It could be any other location which might suit you. Remember, the name should be in lowercase for the storage account. Let's execute this command. SKU, I have put standard. You can put premium as well for locally redundant storage. Just a reminder, in standard LRS, it will make 3 synchronous copies of your data within a single data center. It's suited for general purpose or blob storage. All right, so while the command is running, okay, now it's executed. It's executed successfully. So let's list the accounts and save the account name, and more importantly, list the key as well and set it as an environment variable. We will be using it later on, so it's better to store it. And we will set the connection string as well. It will come handy. So let's see which all accounts exist. This is the command to list account name and key. Basically, I am interested in getting the key so that we can connect. Again, I am using the same account name which was just created, and resource group is the one which I already created earlier, and I would like to have it in a tabular format. It makes it a bit easy to read. Okay, resource group does not exist because I made a mistake. Let's give it a shot again. So now you can see like both the keys are listed. I would at this moment set storage account variable so that I don't have to type it again and again. And I'll go ahead and set access key as well. I hope I'm not doing any typos here. So this sets the key, account name and account key. Okay, let's also see the connection string. So there are multiple ways to connect, like we can give account name and key, and we can also have a connection string to connect. So let's see what the connection string is. You can note down the command, and the name of the account is the resource group. And again, it's better to view it in a tabular format, so it should give me connection string. Let's see. Yes, I got the connection string. What I will do now is I will set the connection string as well to the environment variable. This should do the task. So now the account key is set, storage connection string is set. So now we have successfully created, account, and we have also stored in environment variable the connection string. Now, as a second step, let's try to upload a blob. But before we do that, there are a few steps we need to follow. As you know, every blob in an Azure storage must be in a container, so we need to create a container as well. Okay, so let's create a container. And let's give it a name. Again, let's keep it simple. I'll give async container as the container name. You can, of course, as an option, also set public access off, or you can have public read access, or you can have public read and list access to the container as well. So there are option parameters. You can put public access, and then you could do that as well. Now what I will do is I'll try to upload a file to this blob. I've already stored it, and so I will upload this as your storage.pdf as a blob now. So what I will do is I'll actually first set the environment variable. It makes life a bit easier. So file to, let's say, upload equal to, this is the part which I think I'll need to give the entire directory name, and let's instead like this. Sorry about that. That should set the environment file to upload. Now what I will do is I'll store this file as a blob. I need to specify which container I'm uploading it to. I need to get the name of the container that we just created. I think it is a container. Yes, it is. And then a name. Let's put that AZSTY storage document. So let's see. Let's execute this command. This should upload the blob. Okay, let's see. It says finish 100%. Let's see if it's uploaded. There's another command for it which should list all the blobs. So let's do that. To specify which container I'm requesting this information from, and then output as the tabular format. So you can see like it was uploaded as your storage document was uploaded as a blob, and you can see the content type as PDF. So this exercise is successful, where we created a storage account, we created a container, and we uploaded a file as a blob in this container. This brings me to end of this session. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.